Okay, I have still some paint left, and what I'd like to do is a background pour, or a sort of a feather pour over a background pour. I'm going to try and do that. This time I'm going to do it really fast, so I won't do anything about the sides. Just put this on. I have you guys zoomed in a little bit because this is a 15 by 15 canvas. Not that big, as you can see. I'll just do the sides. Just because I am always talking about do the sides, people, do the sides. When stuff pours over it, you don't have to finish the sides. So we're going to do that. There we go. Just making it spread out a little. Burst a few bubbles. Only a few, because this is paint that I made like 2 weeks ago. And again, I get a lot of questions about that. People asking me, can I mix paint and keep it? Absolutely. I even think it's better for pouring if you mix it, like, you know, and let it stand for weeks and weeks. I think it's better. So what we're going to do is put some colors on top of each other. And I'm putting them in sort of a order that I think is going to come out nicely. That's that one, and of course I'm going to add some gold and bronze just to make it a little prettier. I think I'll go for the light color turquoise. There you go. Then again, a little bit of this. And the bronze, and we're going to finish it off with this color. I think we have enough. Now I have it all sort of layered in here, and I'm going to turn it around and make it come out this way. So I'm going to tilt the canvas just a little bit. And now I'm getting really quiet because I want to have even feathers. And there's some dark popping out. Look at that. That is beautiful, isn't it? Now I'm going to spread it out. Man, this is beautiful. But I want it to go all over the side and back. Oh no, I think this is pretty. Look at that, with that little bit of negative space. Yes, I like it. I'm not going to torch it though. I could torch it because there is silicone in this paint. I would like to have this a little bit more covered with the dark, because I think that would look awesome. So let's see if we can do that. Yep, here it comes. Oh, that fits perfectly. Now this is going to be really pretty because that's bronze that's peeking through. Here we have the gold in the middle, and then we have a lot of bronze, so that's going to look really, really beautiful once it's dried. I am seeing cells pop up because that's, you know, what the silicone in the paint does. So as you can see here, you got cells popping, and we're just going to leave it like this. Although I would want to give it a little touch up here because I'm sort of thinking something's going to come out of that. Yeah, and here. That's it. So here the cells are going to grow. That's my airbrush compressor. These are going to grow. These are going to grow a little bit, and that's like all I want. Just a tiny little hint of cells. These big ones are nice. The smaller ones are nice. But that's just about it. And then I'm going to leave this negative space down here. I really like that. Let's see if I don't have a dirty glove. So I'm going to leave it like that. And I like the really little bit of celling that's going on down here all by itself. But just, we're going to leave it like this. I'll give you a little close up. See that? So you get cells and you get the feathers and the colors make it look pretty, and I'm pretty satisfied with this. Now, I still have some paint left, and what I'd like to do with that, of course, is do a couple of squish washes. Isn't that beautiful together? I love those colors. I think I'll pour one from here. Let's put some more color in there. The funny thing is, a while back, I'm sure you remember that I showed you the pendants, and I had, I think, 3 or 4 that I had with a sort of a feather pour. And the funny thing is, they went first. That is really weird to me. So the feather pours and the pendants, they were the ones that really sold. So if you're gonna do pendants, maybe that's an idea. Let's see. No, we need some more light. Let's see what happens. And this is fun that you can do this with paper. You can't do this with a canvas. That you fold it so that it goes both ways. I wish we could with a canvas because it gives some really pretty patterns. I think this is pretty. I can get some really nice pieces out of this for a pendant. Ooh, just this bit here, that is really pretty. They look like peacock feathers. See that? And this is the bit that I'd put in a pendant. Okay guys, this is where I'm gonna stop, and I'm gonna pack my stuff in, clean it up, and I'm gonna put the videos on the internet. And I'll see you all back tomorrow, I guess. I gotta keep this intact because this is what I'm gonna take out. That is really pretty. So see you all tomorrow. Love you all to pieces. Bye bye.